everyone. I want to talk about our setup for picnics. We like to go hiking and we also like to take our picnics. So the first thing I have here is our little Arctic Zone lunch boxes. I am gluten-free, so I keep mine separate from Julius and LA's. So LA and Julius keep their snacks in one and I keep mine in another. And they're really great insulating. They have this pocket where you can put ice in here, or you can even put it in here. But they really keep your food cold for a long time. We've had several things by this brand and they've all been great. I also have this pack. This pack is new to me. It's a Gregory Nano 20-liter pack. And it's a great size. I love that it has this extra pocket here that I can stuff stuff. I have my compass in this one with a little carabiner here. I have our cool rag tied to the side, and it's got two water bottle pockets on either side. It also has a whistle like LA's. In case I get lost, I can blow my whistle. And I've been keeping my mask here in case we go inside the park stores or bathrooms and there's other people around, so I wear that. But I really like it. It's very comfortable. It's handy. It's got a pocket at the top here where I keep a headlamp and another whistle, emergency type thing here. And you can clip your keys inside this pocket here. It also has a water bottle, a water bladder. So if I want to put, I do have a water bladder, but I don't really like to use them as much. They're kind of a pain to clean out. So I might start using them later. But I just have water here. Today I have disposable because all our water bottles were dirty. So I just have a disposable water bottle. But usually in here in my pack, I keep an EpiPen and inhaler just for emergencies, ready to grab. It's bright color, easy to grab, see? These are snacks in a little dry sack. And then I also have our emergency kit here. So our emergency kit has lots of stuff.
It's a lifesaver.
It's a lifesaver, literally.
Yeah, it's real.
So I have that in a dry sack too. And I have a couple of things. I'll show you what's in here. There's a lot of things in here. So I have this little Soul Survivor Outdoor kit. And it's got a lot of, this one's for emergencies. So it's got a blanket, a fire starter, whistle, some duct tape, a bladder, and also some water purification tablets in there. So if we ever got lost hiking, we haven't done big hikes yet, but we anticipate going further and further. And so this would be handy if we ever got lost. And I think I got this online or at Target, I'm not sure. I also have a small medical kit.
Yeah, that's very handy.
So as you can see, we haven't opened or used it yet, but this is basically a baggie, so it's waterproof medical kit, and I have one for me and one for Julius also in his pack.
It's good for emergencies.
We also have moleskin, so if anybody gets a blister as we're hiking, yeah, it's to cushion your feet from blisters. Yeah, moleskin, some matches if we ever got stuck out. And then also extra insect repellent. These little wipes are really handy to have. And an emergency poncho if it starts to rain. I do have a rain jacket, but I don't always bring it if the weather looks nice, but you never know. Texas, wait a minute and it'll change. I think that's all I have here. So I have it all here in a little dry sack, and it's a bright color, so if we get in an emergency, we can see it right away. Grab the red bag.
Also a juice box.
And a juice box to drink. Yep. So that's what we keep in our packs when we go hiking. We bring our lunch in a cool bag, and then I have my little medical kit here with my inhaler and an EpiPen ready to go. All right.
Bye.